All right, guys, in today's video, I want to show you what it looks like to become a free member in Nexus Rewards using their top 4 programs. So let's get into it. Now, when I leave my house to run errands, if I need gas, I just open up one of the apps to see a list of gas prices somewhere that's close by where I'm at. So you'll be able to see the cost per gallon and then decide which gas station that you want to go to. Now, over here, I selected Valero, and I was able to fill up, and then I got back $5.93 back. Now, once you arrive at the gas station, all you have to do is just click the confirm link and then pump your gas, and then click the check-in link, and the money will show up in your account once it's been verified. I took that same gas receipt and put it in another app that's in the program, and I was able to get additional points from it, which could be cashed in later. So with this one purchase, I'm getting double the rewards. I also stopped by Walmart to pick up a few things for my new house that we just moved into. And then over here, you can see some Amazon purchases that we made that also added to our points. So just by going through my day and shopping at stores and pretty much that everybody goes to, I'm able to put some of this money back into my pocket. Now, my husband went to Home Depot to get some blinds for our house, and then one of my daughters needed a new keyboard and mouse, so she got that at Best Buy. We eat out all the time at Texas Roadhouse and also at Longhorn Steakhouse, and I get some of my money back at these places too. Now, there are only 2 memberships available, the free membership and then the premium, which is $21.95 a month. So if you sign up 3 premium members, then the company stops charging your credit card. Also, free members can easily earn the cash that they need to upgrade if they want to do that. They just need to refer people to one of the programs in the system, which will give them $30 per referral. The other program will give them $7 per referral. Now, this particular program is only offering this $7 per person just during the month of August. Okay, and then you can see right here is where I got my $30 bonus after I joined and shopped for things that I was going to buy anyway. And the great thing about this is the person who referred me also got a $30 bonus, and he didn't even have to buy anything. So if you look up here, you could see I got $40 back on a desk I purchased for my office. And this one is for a couple of rugs that I bought for my living room. I paid $7.70 and 12 cents, and after the cash back, it brought the price down to $711.43. One of the rugs did give me back $7.11, and the other rug will give me back around $50 and some change, which is what's pending right now. Now, what store have you been to that gave you this kind of money back on things that you bought? And this happens all the time. So just go ahead and click the link below this video and then sign up and get started. Find out for yourself what kind of discounts you'll get on everything that you buy. The next time you go out and run some errands, make sure you're not paying full price. I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.